Why does your scanner show the P0553 engine code? What does it mean? P0553 is a diagnostic trouble code for power steering pressure, sensor circuit, high input. The P0553 engine code for indicate your vehicle's engine computer, unusually high voltage signal from the power steering pressure sensor. The computer relies on this sensor to know when the steering system is under load, so it can adjust the engine idle. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: fluid leakage, damaged wiring, faulty pressure sensor, open ground circuit, system overfill or mechanical failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Lincoln, Honda, Acura, Toyota, and Jeep. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.